Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got another video for you. Today we're working on the 23 GR Corolla and I wanted to have a couple little dress up things for the engine. So I found this online and I'm gonna go and install it. I'll show it to you in a little bit, but I think it's gonna look good. I like the way it looked online. Let's hope it looks just as good in the car. But anyway guys, a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Boop, boop, boop. Hit the subscribe button down below. Put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my videos. Without further ado, let's custom it. So guys, here is the packaging. I'm gonna take it out real quick. So here it is. Let's open it up so I can show you guys what they look like. All right, got a couple stickers. I'm not sure what that is. Suspension card, golden wrench. Oh, the company is called Golden Wrench. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you guys. This is a pretty cool card. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use them for, or is it just for decoration? But anyway, you got more stickers here for Golden Wrench. Little black thing, and with the QR code. So this is the packaging. It comes with everything. You got this guy. All right, so here you go. This is probably the oil cap. I think it's gonna look good. I like that red color, synthetic oil. Right up, I like it. There's also some little, what's that, gasket? Yeah, there's extra gaskets in here. This gotta go on top of your regular cap. This is for what? Oh, this is for the coolant reservoir cap, and it comes with its own 3M tape. This is, oh, that's the brake fluid cap. That one also get put on with 3M tape. So here, it's, I can't remember what this is. I think it's I don't remember what it is. Some kind of, I have to look it up guys. And then over here, there's another cap. This is for the gas cap, but also come with 3M tape. All right guys. There's something else I ordered too. So here it is. What is that one? So let's take it out real quick. But the packaging is really nice guys. All right, but anyway, let's go ahead guys and start with the process, with the install. All right guys, so here's the engine bay. So I believe we're gonna be changing this guy or add something on top of it. And then this guy and these two guys. The first thing we're gonna do these two guys right here. So let's go. This one, you need an Allen key. This is number 6. So we're just gonna take it out. Oh, it's barely on. Okay, this is what it looks like guys. Fairly simple. Okay, this is our replacement. Here it is. Looks really good. Just screw it in. All right, let me get my wrench. So in your kit, it comes with that little wrench. So you just need to snug it, guys. Okay. Come on. All right, that's it. Looking good so far guys. And the next one is this one guys. So this one is this guy. There's like a little opening right here. It goes like this. All right, so but we're gonna put some 3M tape on top of it. Before we do that, let me get the 3M tape. Before we put the 3M tape here, I'm gonna just wipe it just a touch with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. That's it. And this guy come into the package. So all you have to do, basically just trying to line it up as best as you can to put it right in the middle. All right, looks pretty good to me. You can't mess it up because there's like that little groove. It only goes in one way. So now we got to take the 3M backing tape, cover. Okay, it's out. Then we put this guy in here. Only goes in one way, guys. Okay, make sure it still works. Yep, still works. All right, that looks good, right guys? I like it. All right, next. All right guys, the next one is this cap right here. So to get access to it, I can probably do it here. Yeah, actually this is easy. I can get access to it this way. There we go. Look, I got it. There we go. All right, let me find the right one that fit this guy. Hold on. All right guys, so this one, let me see what does this thing says. Let me make sure. Brake fluid, that's the right one. Brake fluid. And then they come with those little 3M tape. Let's take these little guys out. So this guy go on top of the old one. So what I like about these thing, it's really nice quality stuff. And basically you cannot put it in correctly. So the groove, they are different right here. So this only fits one way. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put the little 3M tape in here. All right, there's one right there. Another one in the middle here. Doesn't have to be perfect, just eyeball it. And the last one goes right up here. Okay, look pretty good to me. Next thing we gotta do, get some rubbing alcohol, a little bit of it. Then you just clean this up real well. Okay. Okay. Now guys, we gotta take out the 3M cover, the 3M tape cover.
In this car, it says it has 340 health.
Oh no, the 340 horsepower.
Yeah.
That's what it means. Horsepower meaning
How fast?
how fast. That's good. That's my boy. Okay. All right, I got it guys. So now there's a pattern that fits in here. So all you have to do is find how it fits in. Nope, keep turning it. There we go. See, it fits in. Once you find the right pattern, you just gotta push it down a little bit, which is super cool. I like the way they did that. There you go guys, look. Looks cool. It looks so cool. It looks so cool. All right now guys, so you can put your hands underneath here. Oops, sorry. And find the pattern. Just twist it until you find the pattern. There you go. It's in. Let me see if I can take this out so you guys can see. Hold on. There we go guys. Now you can really see it. Okay. Oh, let me clean this up a little bit. Clean, 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 clean. There you go. I'll zoom in so you guys can see it. So that one is done. So guys, I forgot to tell you about this. You don't really have to take this little cover off, but if you want to make it even easier, you can just put your hand over here and take it off. But if you really want to, there's like a clip over here, there's one over here on the other side, and these little planes, you slide them up this way, and then this thing comes off. So now you can really see, now it's even easier, but you don't have to take it off. That's really up to you guys. So that's it. We can plug this back into its spot. All right guys, so the next one is right here. So it's the oil cap. This is the guy right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this one out. So this is the new one. There you go. And it does come with these, gaskets. So I'm gonna put the thickest one. You just put it on top of here. All right, that's it. And then you should be able to just twist it right in. Okay guys, it's in. See, that's an easy one. So guys, I also bought this. Came in a different box, but I also bought it. This guy, it goes, let me show you. This is it. Really still good, really good quality. Here it is. So this one goes over here. So you pop this guy off and then you put it like this. Okay. So there you go. So you can take this out, you just pull this off, and then you put the new guy in. I don't know if I like it. I prefer this one, guys. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but this is it. So there we go, guys. Okay. So you got 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one I want to show it to you guys. Let's go. So guys, the last one goes into the gas tank, so you got to clean this up a little bit. Let me take it out and show it to you real quick. So here it is, and this also comes with the little what you call it, the 3M tape you got to put in there. All right guys, and after that, clean this up a little bit. Okay, and then you put this guy over here. See, that's it guys. So now you should be able to open and close the guy. That's it guys. You close this guy up and we are done. All right guys, so the Blackline dress up in red are all done. I like it. It looks good. I'm not so sure if I want to keep the gas cap and the windshield washer fluid. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. But anyway, it's all done. Like and subscribe, tell me what you think, and until the next time, peace.